From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your afternoon weather update.
Hey, good afternoon, folks. Pretty decent day shaping up out there. Temperatures in the mid-80s already, and we're climbing pretty quickly as we head through the next few hours. Pretty toasty, nice June day in store for us today. Tomorrow, looking a little worse on the other hand. We'll discuss that more in a few moments. Here in Lawrenceburg right now, just a little hazy, not doing too bad though. Yeah, we're at 81 degrees at the moment. Wind out of the south at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Humidity hasn't arrived just yet, but it will soon. The implications of that, again, we'll discuss in a few moments. It's going to get more humid over the next 24 to 36 hours, especially into tomorrow. How about across the state line? Still a little hazy there as well, but a nice day to hit the water. Don't blame those folks one bit. Temperatures out there right now at 84 degrees. Wind still out of the south. Dew point of 64, so there's that first hint of moisture starting to move up through the Tennessee Valley. Let me show you the futurecast next 24 hours so that I can show you those implications. We warm up today pretty nicely, mid to upper 80s. Few scattered storms are possible, especially in northeast Mississippi, northwest Alabama there as we head through the afternoon and evening. Most of us will be dry, but it's June. Can't rule out the chance of an isolated pop-up shower or storm here or there. Then notice this. Through tonight and into tomorrow morning off to our west, big old mass of storms pushing east. That weakens before it gets here, but we do have a few showers possible as we head through tomorrow morning. Wind staying out of the south there. Temperatures climbing pretty rapidly through the 80s and back into the mid to upper 80s by tomorrow afternoon. And for tomorrow afternoon, it looks like we have a few pop-up showers possible through the first and middle half of the day. But then notice this, as we head through the afternoon and evening, big cluster of storms moving southeast across the Tennessee Valley with time through the early hours of the afternoon, or through the hours of the evening, I think is when it really is going to start manifesting into the main severe weather threat. Let me show you the implications of this as well. Level 2 out of 5 risk across all of our viewing area for tomorrow for that main line of storms that's possible as we head through the evening. It looks like the main threat with that is damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour, but some of those larger storms might have the chance of some larger hail. Now, can you rule out a tornado or two possible that spins up inside that line? No, not necessarily, but this is by no means a tornado-driven event. This is not going to be a tornado outbreak. It looks like this is going to be one of those lines of storms, a little bit of clusters of storms that get together, have strong updrafts, and can produce damaging winds and perhaps some large hail. So we'll keep an eye on that as we head through tomorrow. Me and Fred will be in the studio, and if need be, anyone else is on standby, just in case anything happens. But I don't think this is going to be some huge major outbreak or anything like that, but it's definitely worth watching across the Tennessee Valley as we head through tomorrow afternoon, and specifically tomorrow evening into the early hours of tomorrow night for the chance of some severe weather. Big picture as we head through tomorrow looks unsettled as a whole, so temperatures will be in the mid-80s there. More humid as well as we head through tomorrow with those storms kind of just hit or miss throughout the day, finally culminating with that severe threat in the afternoon and evening. Still some more widespread mid-80s in northwestern Alabama. We'll call it 85 in the Shoals. Same up there in Lawrenceburg, it was about 85. Don't think we're going to be seeing any 90s tomorrow, and then behind it, we're cooling off even more still. Temperatures near 80 in the big picture. So looks like we kind of stay in this unsettled pattern as we head over the next several days into the work week. Notice here some systems just kind of hit, come and go, just like that. And as we head through midweek and beyond, another system moving through, and so on and so forth. That's kind of the pattern here as we head over the next several days. Not seeing any particular day that looks like it's screaming severe weather to me or anything like that, but we're definitely going to stay unsettled as we head into the next work week. Temperatures cooling down just a little bit. That's what I was talking about. By no means cool, but you know what? Near 80 is a little bit cooler than we've been seeing for the past few days. Slowly warming back up to the lower to mid-80s by the mid and end portions of the week. And I think we're kind of holding in that pattern for the time being. So 7-day forecast here. Let me show you what I was talking about when I said we're kind of in this steady pattern of unsettled conditions. You see what I'm talking about there on the 7-day forecast as we head through the first and middle halves of the work week. It looks like rain chances only start to taper off by the end of the week, and we really culminate as we head over the next 24 to 36 hours. So we'll keep an eye on it, see what the forecast has. All in all, I think it's just a classic June pattern here with these unsettled conditions lasting through the week.